Hi, data visualization or dashboard skill is one of the top 10 demanded skills at the present time. He may be an employee or employer. It is essential that he must obtain relevant data, portray this data in the form of visuals that provides insights to leverage business decisions. Yes, we are talking of interactive dashboard, the dashboard that can provide beautiful insights hidden inside the data. This interactive dashboard deals with multiple visuals. When we make a selections in a particular component or when we make a selection of a particular component of a visual, changes reflects in rest of the visuals according to the selection that we make. In this video series, we are going to learn how we can use different features of Google Data Studio to build up an interactive dashboard. Let me show you a small demonstration to help you understand what this interactive dashboard is all about. Let us come back to the studio. So this is the dashboard that I have built already. Okay. So this dashboard deals with multiple data. Like take for example, there is total sales data, there is profit data, there is quantity data, transaction number of transaction takes place, profit margin, customer name. There are 792 customers are there. Okay. So what I am doing here, if I make a selections here, take for example, there are three sliders are there. Okay, there are three sliders, two controls are there. Suppose take for example, I will make a date selection. Take for example, let me make a date selection. Suppose I want to see the data for January 2013. Take for example, let me see, let me change accordingly January 2013. January 2013. So this is January 2013 up to 2013 December, take for example. Okay, so if I am let us see here sales figure is 2.3 millions. Okay, suppose I filter, I just click on apply, so all these visuals will get changed. Okay, according to the selection that I make. So the all the visuals will display the figures according to that for this year only. Okay, let us see apply. Yes, let us wait. So the visuals are getting the, yes, you see this is 1.4 millions. Earlier the figure was different. So you see there is here one, there is also comparative matrix is on. So this data, two figures are coming in each the scorecard because comparison matrix is on. We are comparing this data for the previous year, like so sales is down by 28.4%. Similarly, profit is down by 28.9%, and quantity everything is down. All this, so you see number of customer is also down. Okay. So similarly, take for example, we have checked that this is working. So similarly, we can check for 2014, 2015, and accordingly the and so on we can. So similarly, take for example, I want to see it. Here is a drop down control. Suppose there are here as far as region is concerned, this is the dimensions that we have selected here. Control field is regions. So suppose I want to see the data for central regions. Take for example, this is only central. So all these figures will get changed. Let us see. So this is getting changed. Let us see. So this figure is now it is changed. It is changed 757.6. Earlier it was different. Now it is in comparison with the previous years. Let us select all. Okay. So then let us come to another. So this is a working. Suppose take for example. So here is a sales figure. This is the sum of sales. Let us say this is the sum of sales. Let us see. So here what we have selected, it is the sum of sales. But if you see these are not sum of sales. So this is the sales for the individual order. Maximum sale for an individual order is 5798. It is something like that. Okay, 5799, and the minimum sale is 4. Similarly, profit slider, these are also different because these are for individual orders. Suppose take for example, I will make a selections here. So this will also get changed. Let us see. So this is what exactly this interactive dashboard is all about. Okay, suppose you are working as a data science or in the field of analytics, business analytics, that these skills are the most wanted skills in industry now. So similarly, we can see, check, we can see this is also profit. Suppose you will see, I will make a selection in profit. Take for example, profit slider. This is called profit slider. So accordingly, we can see, suppose profit slider I want to make it on. See, let us see. So this is also perfectly working. So this is, these are the range, profit range. So data has been displayed according to the profit range. Okay. Similarly, quantity, let us see. For quantity, take for example, let us see. Yes. So these all visuals are interacting. These are all interrelated. Suppose take for example, I will also see, so one map I have created. This is the bubble map. Okay, I will show you how that is working. Okay, so take for example, see the country there. So here take for example, what is the dimensions that we have taken. So we will see the country locations. We have taken the country, which country has made the maximum sales. Take for example, this is, take for example, so this is the, that means that bigger the bubbles, bigger the that sales. Okay, so here the field has been taken, that sales has been taken as a metric. So bigger sales is France. France has made maximum sales, that is called 364921. Okay, so let us click on France. Yes, this figure also matches because this data is linked to with this. So France has been able to that makes this much of sales, profit, quantity, transaction, this. Okay, let us once again click on it so that our data will get back. So these are the quarter. Let us see sales and profit data. Okay, for 2014 and 2013 quarters. Okay, so if I click here, suppose take for example quarter 3 2014. Okay, so accordingly all these visuals should work. Okay, okay. So accordingly it is also working. Yes. So this is also, so this is the data displayed for quarter 3 of 2014. Let us deselect so that our data can be back. So here we have also, we can see drill down control, there are optional metrics controls are also there. Suppose I want to see only here, suppose take for example I want to see only sales, not profit. So accordingly our visuals will appear. So here we have only sales. We want, suppose we want to see only profit, accordingly it will work. So this is the optional metrics that we have used. Similarly, we have also used some drill down options. Okay, so all these things are there. So suppose take for example, let us see. So one combo chart. Combo chart is the combinations of both line chart and this bar chart. Okay, column charts. So let us click on here quarter 4 2013. Yes, so this is also linked with all these things. Okay, so let us deselect. This is a donut charts that we are for different consumer segment. Okay, so what this is, we have taken as segment. So this is, suppose take for example I want to see the figure, all the sales figure and profit figure, quantity, all these data, all these visuals according to consumers. Take for example. Okay, so this has been, this is given for the consumer. Suppose take for example I want to see for home office. So figures will display accordingly. Yes. Okay. So similarly, suppose corporate. So these are the data that these are. So let us get our data back. So this is one tree map I have also created. This is one tree map I have created. Let me see. So what happens when this donut chart or pie chart deals with a single dimensions or categorical data? This can deal with tree map deals with multiple categorical data. Let us see. So we have selected here segment as a dimension. Then under the segment we are seeing shipping mode. There are different shipping modes are there. Like take for example, economy class is there, economy plus is there, priority, and for all the segment it is for consumer all these three shipping modes, customers all these shipping modes, sorry, corporate all these shipping modes, and home office all these shipping modes it is showing. Okay, so this is, suppose take for example, I will click on here economy class, I will click on yes, data is getting changed. So suppose to take for example corporate and economy, so accordingly data is getting changed. Okay, so this is what I have in the table, what I have that found out that what I have filtered, that who are the top 5 customers who have made maximum sales. So this is the figures which are tellers. Okay, suppose I want to see the visuals or the top that the teller retail tellers sales performance in all the visuals. What I can do, so let me deselect it, let me deselect it. Yeah. Somewhere we have to put a tick mark. So accordingly we can see all those data. Okay, okay. So suppose I want to see this customer name, so in rest of the visuals, so accordingly all these things will get reflected. So this will get reflected, all these data will get reflected. Okay. So let us see, it is getting slow. Suppose take for example here we can see. Okay, so suppose take for example we can see this is the persons who has made maximum sales, so data will get reflected according to these selections. Okay, so 2 pages I have prepared. Okay, these are, so this is what an interactive dashboard we must understand. Okay, so in an interactive dashboard, when we make a selection in a particular visuals, so changes will reflect in rest of the visuals. Okay, according to the selection that we make. So there is a series of videos that I am uploading here for your kind reference. So I request all the viewers to see, to view all these things, all these visuals, and take down and practice, so that it will be helpful on your job. Thank you very much.